Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS lists. And right now we'll be discussing about how to use an image as the list item marker. The list style image property specifies an image as the list item marker. So I've been telling you that you should always note this list item marker because it's very important to us when we are talking about the list. So back to our document right now. Now let's do something. As you can see this, I want to manipulate all this right now. Previously we said that the first one right here that is identical by this dot at the left side right here is unordered, but this one at the bottom, which is identical by 1 2 3, is ordered. Because this one is 1 2 3, we can change it to ABC also. Let's change this one from 1 2 3 to ABC. We can just say lower alphabet, lower alpha value. Can you see now it's changed to ABC? And we can change it from lower alpha to lower Greek if we want. Let's reload. Can you see it changed to Greek? And we can take it to capital. We can take it to upper alpha. Yes, let's change it to upper alpha. Can you see we are having a capital letter A there? So, and the second one also we can change it from square to 0 to circle. We can change it from square to circle, the unordered one. Can you see now we are able to have the only on the outline circle, and this one also we can change it to another thing also. You can just give it let me scroll here, let me check this disk. Let's use this disk because I know it. Can you see now we're having this dot is the default value. So right now we want to change all this, we want to remove it. We don't want them, we don't want this one also there, but by default we are going to see them. Can you see now we're having this by default, but right now we want to change this one by default, and we want to change this one by default. We want image there. So the unordered one, let's give it list style type and list style image. Let's give it URL. This URL is going to take our image. The image I want to use is right here, which is this bubble. I want to rename the image to something nice again. Let me give it hh.gif. So I'm coming back to my code right here. I'm specifying hh.gif right here. When I specify hh.gif and reload my document, you're going to see it. Can you see all this turned to the bullet? The image is right here. The image I'm having in my document right here, this is the image. Can you see it's very small, it's a very tiny image, so that's why I use it. It's useful for me. So so anytime you want to use an image, you can use an image there. So that is working. And this one also, in our other one also, we can change it. We can just copy this one immediately and paste it there. List, don't forget our list star image property, and when we specify this here, you are going to see it's going to change also. Can you see now we are having? So, and let's say for instance now we want to increase our element. Let's say we increase our element right here, or we increase our element right here, everything. Let's say we add more elements here. Let's say we add li good. Let's add good. You are going to see the image is going to automatically, let's reload now. Keep looking at this under the wow. Can you see automatically the good is here? So that's how we can add an image, use an image in our list marker. So that's how you can use it by using specifying list star image property and specify the image, the link to the image. I'm going to show you some advanced trick also in the future tutorial. And while I call it Ayofe is my name once again, I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much.